Hi there, today we're unboxing a lighting kit for a gaming chair. So this particular one is by a company called Elite Gaming. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So let's take a quick look around the packaging. So it comes nicely packaged in a small box. It says here, light up your gaming chair. A couple of details here. So wireless remote control and power bank included. Universal LED light pack fits on most gaming chairs. Okay, and got a picture of a gaming chair showing the lights would be installed underneath the chair. Power bank there, LED kit there, and a remote control. So at the bottom it says add comfort to your game, wave lighting. Okay, coming around here, you've got their website. Coming on the back, some details, multi-language, just regarding the actual pack itself. And then on here, you've got gaming chair LED light pack. So let's open it up and see what you get in the pack. Okay, so this is what we get. We get a small power bank, a micro USB to USB cable, a strap with Velcro on there, remote and the LED strip kit, details of what's in the package, and a picture showing how it should be installed and branding there. And that's all you get. So, comes with a power bank and very straightforward, some cable underneath and two small strips of LED lights, and that plugs obviously straight into the power bank, and then you've got a charge point there, a light indicating it's on, and if I take the remote, press on, there you go, it's simple as that to get up and running. And you've got some options here, so flash, strobe, fade and smooth. Okay, and then you can just turn it off. Obviously it just runs straight off the power supply. So this is an optional add-on for the chairs, and the lights just go underneath. So next thing is you've got a strap here, a Velcro strap. So very straightforward. If I take that, put it through, and then power bank can sit in there, and you can just tighten it up and release it when you don't need to use it. So this needs to be attached underneath the chair. Okay, so the installation of the strip kit is quite straightforward. Two LED strips. It'll be placed like this, and the cable can slip just underneath the gap here. Okay, so now with the Velcro strap, if I bring it around here and put this over like this, and then with the power bank, I can slot it in at this angle here, and then just connect it like so. And then with this, I can just tighten it up. And there you go. Okay, so the LED strip kit's now on. Just to give you an idea what it looks like, if I come in low, that's what you can expect to see. And if I turn the lights off, that's how it is. There you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.